ho! Booze and news from the fridge, kiddies. This Sunday night, it's the biggest gig of the year, featuring yours truly, me, Santa Claus. And I'll be coming to your town. But this year, things are a little bit different. Santa's lawyer has advised me to tell you that you won't be seeing Mommy kissing Santa Claus unless she signs one of these. And Santa won't be creeping down your chimney or sneaking into your house this year. But that doesn't mean we can't have the greatest Christmas of all. So have a Merry Christmas, kids. Can I still say that? Well, happy holidays. Cheers, fuckers.